Have you ever wondered when your device goes end of support and where you should move next to? Well, first off, you should probably just talk to your sales team, but if you don't feel like doing that, you can always check that out inside of the support portal. So we're here at support.fortinet.com, and I'll get logged in here. We'll go to support and down to product lifecycle. Here, you can either search for your device, or you can just scroll and find the device category. And here I'll search for FortiGate 60E. We'll drop this down and select the FortiGate 60E. We can now open up this file, and we can see that when the 60E was announced end of order, that the replacement was going to be the 60F. Now there might be something newer out that fits your needs a little bit better. This has been around 3 years in the past, so there's probably some new models out by now. Again, why talking to somebody who works at Fortinet might be an easier solution. On top of that, your requirements may have changed. This may be too much or too little based on your current needs. But it's that easy to see when something went end of order and what you might want to go and replace that with in the future.